Imagine construction workers laboring for weeks, even months, to erect a building. They need to work in harsh weather conditions, carry heavy loads, and face potential safety hazards. Now, think of a drone equipped with a 3D printer, capable of constructing the same building in a fraction of the time. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie, but a reality we're moving towards. Drones are not just flying cameras, they are flying robots that can perform tasks that were once thought impossible. To appreciate the changes drones bring, let's look at healthcare. Traditionally, medical supplies needed to be transported by road, which could be slow and inefficient, especially in remote or disaster-stricken areas. Now, drones deliver life-saving medicines and emergency supplies swiftly and accurately, overcoming geographical barriers. They are revolutionizing healthcare, providing faster response times and saving countless lives. The use of drones extends even further. In agriculture, farmers once had to walk miles to monitor their crops and livestock. Today, drones provide aerial views, capturing images and data that help farmers manage their land more efficiently. They can even apply precise amounts of pesticides, reducing waste and environmental impact. In the world of entertainment, drones are replacing expensive and complex equipment. Filmmakers once needed cranes, dolly tracks, and helicopters to capture stunning aerial shots. Now, drones achieve the same results, offering unique perspectives and adding a new dimension to storytelling. In sum, drones are transforming the way we approach tasks in various fields, from construction and healthcare to agriculture and entertainment. They offer efficiency, safety, and new possibilities, reshaping our world in ways we're just beginning to understand. As we've delved into the world of drones, we've seen how they're revolutionizing traditional methods, providing efficiency and safety, and opening up new possibilities. These flying robots are not just about capturing breathtaking aerial views, they're about changing our way of life, making the impossible possible. So, next time you see a drone flying overhead, remember, it's not just a gadget. It could be a life-saving device, a farmer's helper, a filmmaker's dream tool, or even the future architect of our cities. The sky is not the limit for drones, it's just the beginning.